Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. So today we have a new wig. A human hair blend wig at that. Sensationnel has sent over their new Butta lace unit in the style loose wave 30, you guys. So we are getting inches galore over here, okay? And they sent it in the color 2. This is what the stock card looks like, and this is what the wig looks like on the inside. You get a middle parting space to work with. You also get some of that lace exposure around the hairline, so that way you can customize it and pluck it out or whatnot if you want to. I'm going to make this installation process super simple because I feel like if I wear this wig, when I wear this wig, I'm going to do it exactly how I do it on this video. Like, I make my installation processes as easy and simple as possible because I'm a girl who is always on the go and rushing slick. So I'm going to show y'all my easy step process. So first things first, the lace does come a little bit pale. So I have my tint spray on standby. I'm using this tint spray just to tint that lace up a little bit. And then we're just going to go ahead and slide that wig on. Now, just for the construction of the unit, you guys, it does have combs in the inside, on the sides, some in the back. And then you also have your adjustable straps to work with in case you need to. Now, once I put the unit on, I can see that it has the baby hairs and stuff all blended in, already put in there. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut that lace off. One thing I noticed for sure about this unit, taking it straight out of the pack, y'all, it is flat. Okay, these roots are flat. Like, I really didn't even need my hot comb, to be honest. But because I just have to do it because of habit, I went ahead and used my hot comb anyways. It was just very unnecessary. That's all I'm gonna say. So I am cutting that lace off. I'm getting as close as I can to that hairline because I want to make sure there is no extra lace on my hair, because the way how flat this unit is, it is going to be just a tad bit difficult, like, to push the hair back out of your face and kind of expose your hairline. But it can be done, don't get me wrong. So but I really love, like, the flat look with no baby hairs or nothing like that. So that's what we're rocking with today. Now, I'm going to use a little bit of my edge pomade stick just to get some of those flyaways down and out of the way. Then I'm going to migrate on over to my makeup. I'm putting just a little bit of makeup in that parting space because I wanted it to appear a little bit more wide, a little bit more visible. And that was pretty much it. That's all I did to the closure and the lace of the wig. After that, we're going to move on to combing the hair because, as I stated earlier, you guys, this unit is 30 inches long and it is wavy. So it is going to have a tendency to tangle. Okay, let's just be real. Longer hair, it tangles sometimes, especially when it's curly. So I am starting from the ends, of course, just brushing out those ends and working my way up. I want to make sure that I get it nice and flowy, and then go back into my hot comb, just make sure everything is in place, because I like for every single hair to have a direction and be in place, right? So I'm just going to stand up and show you guys what the back of the unit looks like, because I want you to see how long it is on me. I'm 5'7", so you can see where it's stopping right at my booty. So if you're a little bit shorter, you're going to have some long inches, some long tresses on your hair, okay? But yeah, this is what the final look is looking like. Overall, the density of it, I really like it. I feel like if it was even thicker, you're going to be in trouble. Okay, they put the right amount of hair on this wig. It is perfect. Loving the length, love the style. This is the type of unit that you want to have backups with, because it's a really easy wig to throw on with, like, your really cute outfit. It would even look cute if you kind of like pulled the front of the hair back and like made it into like a kind of the hair pulled out of your face, but it's still hanging long, or doing like a pulled back ponytail. You could pull it to the side, your left or your right, so you can still, you know, come up with some options with styling this wig. You're not just limited to that middle part only. This unit doesn't have any like layers cut into it, but I'm okay with that. I feel like it doesn't need the layers. All of it being just one long length is really, really pretty. I definitely just think this is one to have in your collection. If you're someone who really likes to just switch out your wigs and stuff, it's one to throw in there. It's good enough to purchase. I like it that I will definitely be getting a backup once these are released. So highly recommend trying, you guys. I don't have any negativity, nothing to say about it that I disliked. Overall, I really like every aspect of it, truly. So thank you to Sensational for sending over this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to put a link in my description bar below once these units are available for purchase. So make sure you check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.